Hey traders, it's Tim Irvin here. Welcome to another week. Guys, look, I'm going to give you this week. I'm going to go straight forward to the point because that's what you're here for. I'm going to give you the following pairs, guys. I'm going to break it down slowly. I'm going to tell you what's going on with Euro USD. Also, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on with USD JPY. Hopefully, you guys make hundreds and hundreds of pips last week. Also, I'm gonna give you gold, one of the most tradable pair in the world. I'm gonna break it down slowly and tell you exactly step by step what is going on. All right, so the very first pair that I'm gonna give you today, and it's gonna blow your mind, it's gonna be Euro USD. Boom, guys, this is the way we're gonna do it. Pay close attention, because this, guys, a lot of people will charge you hundreds and hundreds of dollars for what I'm giving you here, but this is the way how we do it here. We always gonna come to the 4 hours. 4 hours is very important. All right, so we're gonna come to 4 hours, then we're gonna look into our dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answers on the real trend of the market. So if you pay attention here, 4 hours and daily time frame is letting us know that Euro USD is going bullish. What is the next step that you need to do, guys? So let me go ahead and give you a little bit of back history so you can know exactly what we're expecting to see on the real data. What are we expecting to see here, guys, is we need to pay attention in which direction is the multiple time frame going with the TW sniper entry. The TW sniper entry has stairs. When the market is only going in a buy trend, that stairs turn green, and guess what you're gonna see? Boom, you're gonna see a real trend going up. When the market is selling, you're gonna see a real red stairs coming down, and boom, the market drop, it goes back up, and so forth. Okay, now that we know what's going on with the real data, remember, guys, you always need to pay attention to the 4 hours and daily time frame. Then we are gonna be moving to real data real time. So I'm gonna show you the drawing of what I'm gonna expect to see this coming week. This is Euro USD, guys. I told you last week the market was getting ready for a pullback. I told you guys when this market was getting ready for this pullback here. But now what? Look at what happened. There was a news going on, and boom, shut off and went all the way to the moon. But you need to know exactly why I'm seeing what I'm seeing right now. So this is the next step, guys. We need to look for TW sniper entry. Look at the TW sniper entry. It's just there. Look at the stairs. Stair 1, stair 2. That telling us the market. Remember, the market, the dashboard told us that we were in a buy trend. Look at the trend going where? Going up, up, up a sec. Look at what we got on Friday, guys. Look at what we got on Friday. Market is getting ready for a small reversal. So that reversal is still pending, still valid. In my opinion, still gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame here, which is gonna be your support, a little bit more lower down for that support. And then we expecting to see a green arrow right on it, and boom, we are going to the moon. We're gonna be retesting this midline of this trend line in here, and then this market is gonna do a small pullback. That is what I think Euro USD is gonna be performing. Guys, remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. Even though that I name the title of this is gonna be Forex Trading gold signal, something like that, but it's not a direct signal, guys. This is for educational purpose. If you need help, please let me know in the comment below, and I will teach you how to trade. Okay, all right, let me know, guys, if you guys are finding value so far on this video. If you are, please hit the bell notification, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. The next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is gonna blow your mind. That is going to be USD JPY. Boom. I'm not gonna give you the real data yet. Please, I think I did. No. But let me show you the real. Look. Don't forget, guys. What is the first step that we need to do? Boom, dashboard. Where's the dashboard saying? 4 hours and daily is telling us, hey, Irvin, wait a minute. Market here is only going where? It is going down, right? So that's all. That's what you know so far. So what do you need to do next? That is the question of the year. That's what people charge you hundreds and hundreds and what? In hundreds of dollars. Guys, I don't want you guys to pay for any one signal, guys. You need to learn how to trade the market. If you don't know, then you are lost. You are lost. Now that we know that we are selling, we need to go into real data, right? There you go. Look at here. Let me put it big. Look at the dashboard, guys. What the dashboard told us that we were in what? We are in a sell position. What is our multiple time frame doing? Boom, selling. What is the TW snapper entry doing? Boom, selling. What's the stair doing, guys? Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where is the real trend going? Boom, it's selling. It's selling. How far? Market still selling on Friday. Market left us in a sell position. So in my opinion, market still gonna push back to our zero Fibonacci level one more time. It's gonna create. It's creating this amazing support in here, guys. So market, look, it give us a heads up. It said, Irving, get ready for a buy position. But this is gonna consider a pullback going where? Going bullish. That is true. We're gonna be looking for a buy position next week, maybe on Tuesday, and we're gonna go all the way to our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci level, and the market will resume back to business as a sell position. That is what I think the market. I don't want any of you guys to be blowing your account, because you are gonna be upset, and then what? You're gonna close your account, and I don't want any of you guys to happen that crap. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week, and that is going to be one of the most tradable pair in the world. It's trading Forex Trading gold signal, and that is going to be on gold. Let me show you, guys. Look, this is very tricky. This is very tricky. It's very important for you to know what's going on. Look at the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. What is your 4 hours and daily time frame doing? Look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is saying the market is coming down, right? Look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours is contradicting. So the 4 hours is doing a temporary pullback as a buy position. Now let me prove you. Let me show you so you can see it. Look at here. Boom. This is amazing, guys. This is really freaking amazing, guys. Look at the multiple time frame. Boom, selling. Look at the TW snapper entry doing. Boom, selling. Look at the dashboard. Dashboard gave you the answer. I told you. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. What is the real trend doing, guys? I don't care if we're doing a pullback. This is what you are seeing on the dashboard. Look at that. Dashboard is saying that we're in a buy position. That is correct. We are doing a temporary pullback. Guess who just showed up on Friday? Look at who showed up on Friday. Continuation of this sell position. So, but before we do that, guys, this is my opinion. Market's still gonna come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci level one more time. From there, boom, market will continue selling down, retesting this previous multiple time frame, small pullback, and continue selling down. Get ready for an amazing sell position on gold. So guys, if you guys want to learn more, please let me know. Hit me. There's a description of this video, guys. You can subscribe. Let me know how I can help you. Okay, so I don't want any of you guys to be blowing your account. And guys, stay safe. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And let's trade this Forex Trading gold signal. Well, I just said signal, but it's not signal. It's for the educational purpose. Hopefully you guys don't blow your account. Let's go and let's make 2024 the best year of your lifetime. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys on the next year. So God bless you. God bless the United States, and God bless your family. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom. Trade with Team With.